Hey guys, and welcome back to another Fusion 360 tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make an airplane or a glider one. So we're going to start by creating sketch right here. I'm going to go here and we're going to make a square, I think around this much. Yeah, okay, that looks good. And I'm going to just make a straight line over there. Then we're gonna go here. We're just gonna go to airfoil, which it's like a custom add-on, which I'm gonna send in the description box. And we're gonna take our struts, common air, average, very rough. I mean, it's just a glider, so I'm just gonna go with the small toy glider. I'm gonna press OK. Then you just want to trim everything, like so. Hope it doesn't do anything. So this point, okay, it's pretty much up. I'm gonna go back to the. Oh, it's already there. Oh, yeah, just like that. Alright, we're just gonna go ahead and go for the sketch. I'm gonna take the revolve tool and just go here. Select that. I'm gonna go OK. We then want to show the sketch right there. Right, and we're just gonna go and press create. Same place. And we're gonna go around. I'm gonna go make a line from here and probably around 22, I think. I think that's good enough. Wait, we need to make it maybe bigger. So we're gonna go here, go maybe 40. Yeah, we go 40. It's okay, and then we will hide the sketch and the body. And we basically can make this okay, I think we're still being creator here. The create, we're just gonna hide the sketch and the body, and we're gonna go and get the wing. We're gonna make this as a small toy glider. I'm gonna make this one here. The elbow, and I think we're done. Okay, now we just need to cut this and this and this. We then want to show the body. Then we're gonna finish sketch first. Extrude this. Yeah, I'm gonna extrude it. I'm gonna make this one symmetric. And we're gonna go maybe 150 maybe. Okay, I'm gonna make this one join. Okay, let's go to 120. Now we're gonna go for the tail. So to do the tail, we just need to hide everybody. We're gonna hide the body, but not the sketch, just the body. And we might just well go from the end to here. Okay, after that, we want to go to the airfoil tool again, go to wing, click this on the end, and then we're gonna go to very rough. Okay, now we go to gonna finish sketch. We can go extrude this. Gonna hide the sketch. Gonna go extrude this and this. Alright, I'm gonna go symmetric. Get the body and let's make this about 50. Enjoy it, and then there you go. You have your own glider plane. Thank you.